Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So yeah, hello. It's me again. I wish you didn't forget about me. I think you did, but whatever. So yeah. Wala, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys what I'm actually up to this time. So yeah, actually ngayon, sorry medyo madilim kasi nasa loob ng kwarto, nakasara yung mga bintana kasi mainit. Anyway, so ayun, currently I'm having an issue. So, currently, I have a mic. So, this is my new mic. Boom. Tayo na, no? RGB. Sheesh! Ayun. So, I bought it on Shopee. Thank you, 1111. Maraming salamat. Maraming. And I've actually bought an audio interface. This one. This is one of the most common audio interface that was used by a lot of people who's like beginning in music. I'm sorry, I'm just putting it down. Yeah, there you go. So the Reworld, I still having a hard time pronouncing that. Right now, I'm having an issue kasi hindi ko makonect yung mic sa Reworld. So sa audio interface, I'm just gonna say audio interface kasi mas madali sabihin yun. And ayun, actually, trinay ko yung mag audio wire na lang. But hindi ko magana. So, I think that kailangan ko talagang bumili ng XLR cable. So, ayun, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. And sasama ko kayo sa labas. Lalabas tayo kasi weekend, guys. Also, I will try to use some guitar. So, as you know, I'm also playing guitar. If you're in my TikTok videos and Instagram, so I'm posting it there both. And yeah, so ito yung mga natin. So, it's the acoustic one. I still don't I still am planning to buy the thing that I forgot what it's called, but it's like I forgot that's the thing. I will remember it later. So yeah, so this one is for the electric one, and this is for the bass. That's the acoustic. Those two in the back. These two the black thing. That is my guitar, bass and electric. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I wish we can find that XLR cable immediately kasi medyo masama din yung panahon, medyo makulimlim sa labas. And ayoko magtagal doon. And ayun lang, so see you guys. Boom! Boom! Diba? Tayo na speed lang. Parang kumarap ka lang, nakabalik na ako. Pero ayun na, nag-aantay na ako ng grab ko. Pucha, makulimlim pati niya. Makulimlim. Fuck! So, hindi tayo matitinag niyan, no? And actually, nag-aanap ako ng store na pwede kong pagbilan. Di ko alam kung saan. Bala ko pumunta sa Robinson, pero alam ko kasi sa Robinson's basta malapit dito, putang na. Ayun, yun. Kaso alam ko mahal kasi doon. So, kasi branded talaga yun. And again, hindi naman natin kailangan ng branded. Maybe soon in the future, if we get lucky. But, yeah, I don't know, probably siguro ito try ko sa Raon kasi may music store din doon. Hindi ko lang sure kung meron dito sa Santa Mesa, baka meron din, but I want to go out. Part of it is also I want to go out kasi yun nga, as you guys know, 5 days ako dito work from home sa bahay. And medyo nababaliw-baliw tayo, di ba? Minsan kinakausap natin, sarili natin like ngayon, kinakausap ko sarili, and whatever. So ayun, anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my angkas as always. See you guys. Boom, dito na ako guys. Ang tagal ng biyahe ang traffic. So ayun, dito na lang sa Raon nagpunta. Kasi alam ko may music store dito eh. Ayun! Ang dami namin. So chinek ko dun sa isang tindahan and medyo mahal. So tingin tayo sa iba. Sana mas mura. If ever wala, Shopee na lang. So, maski sa JB Music wala. Tingin tayo sa Quiapo guys. Sana meron. So ayun guys, lumabot na tayo sa SM. And wala tayong nakita. Puro optical kasi yung nakikita natin. And hindi ko alam kung meron pa yun. SM. Boom. And I don't know, baka pumalik na lang ako. Dito tayo sa Quiapo guys, ang dami nagpipicture. Ayun, ito Quiapo churches. Ang tangin na baka masunog ka. Skip mo na lang. Nasunog. Anyway, wala pa rin ako nakikita. Putangin na. Tayo na pakapaigot-ikot sa Quiapo. May nakita akong gift shop. Kakalabas ko lang actually. And wala, ang ganda lang kasi first time ko nakita yun sa dito sa Quiapo. Actually bago lang yun eh. So ayun, wala. Video lang ako sa loob, wala akong nabili. Anyway, hindi naman kasi yung bibili natin. Wala pa rin ako nakikita. Currently right now ito ngayon sa Jollibee. Sa Manila actually kasi ang daming tao sa Jollibee sa Quiapo. Ilang beses ako pumila. Anyway, I'm just gonna take my food. Wala tayo nabili. Pilit. Pawis na pawis ako guys. Boom. Hulas na hulas. Boom. So ayun mga kaibigan, no? Kakauwi ko lang. Yun. At wala tayo na pala. No, actually, marami tayong nakita na yung mga kailangan nating bilhin doon. But the issue is, it's either medyo mahal siya and medyo mahaba. Kasi, kaya hindi ko binibili yung mahaba. Kaya gusto ko talaga yung maiksi lang is, dahil sa space din sa table ko. So, hindi naman ganun lang yung table ko. So, it will add just more wires in it. So, kapag, alam mo na, medyo mahirap siya yusin. And sobrang octopus wiring na ng likod ng PC ko. So, ayun, tsaka ibang ang mahal niya. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is, tinignan ko sa Shopee kung magkano. And it's actually like 3 times cheaper than what they offer. So mostly ang benta nila dun is 450. Ganun. And tinignan ko sa Shopee is around 150 or 170. So, I think the waiting time is actually, or even the shipping fee, well, actually much, I would go for that one, you know. Kasi ayun talaga yung kailangan eh. And I think they can have a smaller one. So, ayun lang naman. Simple update. Nakauwi na ako again, you know. And wala lang, nagala lang ako actually. Pagkatapos ko sa Raon, nasa Jollibee ako, si Manila yun actually. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi, the thing is, wala na siya sa Quiapo. So, yung title ng vlog na to, yung nandyan Shing, or nandito, whatever, is parang hindi naman siya scope nun. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching. I wish I can vlog more. I will be posting. I'm planning on posting some covers right now because I have a really good mic, you know, medyo tayo, nag-improve tayo guys dito. So, ayun, pawis ako, di ba? Kakawin ko lang kasi. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching and see you again next vlog. Bye!